Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. This video is a look at the reporting and data analysis capabilities of MYOB Advanced. Every suite in Advanced comes with a wide range of reports built in. These reports let you view summary or detailed information about all of the records in your system. In most cases, reports are live documents that let you click on individual items to drill down for more information. Reports can be printed out, exported to Excel or PDF, and sent to internal or external recipients by email. The Financial Suite also includes numerous analytical reports and financial statements. In addition to the standard range of balance sheet and profit and loss reports, you can use the Report Definition screen to create new analytical reports that display consolidated and summarized data from the General Ledger and Projects modules in a format that suits your needs. For summary reporting at a glance, Advanced offers customizable dashboard views. A dashboard displays a set of widgets which display data from the Advanced system in a variety of tabular or graphical formats. You can set up as many dashboards as you need and assign them to different roles in the Advanced system so that all users of the system are presented with data relevant to their role. The data analysis possibilities in Advanced aren't limited to reports though. Advanced also includes powerful generic inquiries which can be configured to show a detailed, dynamic view of data in the system. Generic inquiries can be ordered, filtered and rearranged to make it easy to find the data you want, and you can use features like conditional highlighting of rows and an expandable sidebar to convey even more information in the one view. Generic inquiries are used for the selection grids on most record screens, but you can set up your own inquiries to return exactly the data you need for any task. Once they've been set up, generic inquiries can be used by other areas of the system. They're used as the basis for pivot tables and to specify the records monitored by business events, for example. Generic inquiries in the Advanced system can also be exposed via the OData Open Data standard. This means that your MYOB Advanced data can be displayed and used by external applications such as Microsoft Excel. Ticking the Expose via OData box for any generic inquiry immediately makes that inquiry available via OData. You can return a list of all available inquiries by querying the company's OData URL in any web browser and entering your MYOB Advanced login details. You can add to the URL to return data for a specific inquiry, a specific record within the inquiry, or a specific field within a record. You can also enter an inquiry's OData URL in an application like Excel to import it into a spreadsheet as a data feed. Once the Excel document has been created, you can update data in Advanced and then refresh the data feed in Excel and you'll see the data updated there. MYOB Advanced offers additional business intelligence features via the Microsoft Power BI cloud service, which includes a contact pack for MYOB Advanced that you can use to gain insights into your business data. The content pack includes an out-of-the-box dashboard, a set of reports, and the data set to explore and provide details of CRM opportunities such as your Total One opportunities by date. Using the Microsoft Power BI desktop writer and the OData functionality of MYOB Advanced, Power users can extract information from Advanced, then create and publish new report sets to the Power BI cloud service. And that concludes our look at the possibilities MYOB Advanced offers around reporting and data analysis. Videos containing more information on many of these features are available on the MYOB Advanced Education Centre website. Thanks for watching.